Do you want to get a custom emote profile picture like me? If so, then what are you waiting for? Today I will be showing you guys how to get a custom emote profile picture.
Okay, so Roblox added in profile pictures. In fact, if you go to my Roblox profile, I've actually got my bald head set as my profile picture. Here's actually someone else with Mr. Beast as their profile picture, another person with Five Nights at Freddy's, and this guy here is Anakin Skywalker.
Whenever I check my Twitter notifications, it's just filled with you guys asking me, how do you do this? How do you set it up? And yep, they are talking about the emotes on people's avatars on their profiles. As you guys can see on my profile right now, I have actually got this set up. Yes, I got it working.
Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to get a custom emote profile picture. First of all, go to roblox.com. Now click on the avatar button in the side menu. Now go to the GitHub page in the description, copy the script, and also, careful to not copy anything else because it may mess up your profile, only copy the script. Now go back to your avatar, then go to animations, then click on emotes. Now pick the emote you want to show on your profile picture. Click on the emote. Now let the tab stay open, do not close it at all, we will get to that later. Now right click, then click on inspect. Now click on console. It will say to not paste any scripts here or you will get hacked, but don't worry, I will explain that later. This script is verified by Sharkblocks and Creekcraft, so don't worry. Now click on the stop text in console. Now press Ctrl V on your keyboard. If you're on Mac OS, then press Command V on your keyboard. Now you will see the whole script in the console section. Now scroll, look for a text that says Emote Asset ID in the script. It looks like this. Now delete the 0 next to it, then go back to the tab with the emote. Copy the emote item ID. Then paste it on the place that said 0 next to the emote asset ID. Now press enter. Let's go check our profile image now. It worked. It's now me waving to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, don't be sad if you're on mobile, since Roblox is planning to release this feature on all devices. In fact, we actually kind of bypassed the system doing this. Anyways, as always, I'll see you in the next tutorial.